The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Namaste everyone, it's me, Kalpana Yadav, grade 12 student from St. Xavier College, Maitigarh, Kathmandu. I'm 17 years old from Sira district and this is my honor to thank NASA family to serve us with such inspiring space competition of women in space. Human space flight had been started since 1961 AD and in 1969 AD, Neil Armstrong became the first man to be on the moon, which was a massive history in space science. But where were the omens when the men were beginning to conquer the stars? Many of us know and have heard of Yuri Gagarin as the first man to be on the space. But little do we know the first woman to be on the space? Well, today, unnamed Valentina Tereshkova, she is the first and the youngest lady to have flown on space with a solo mission of Vostok on June 6, 1963, which was the first history for women in space. A bird cannot fly with one wing only. Likewise, human space flight cannot develop any further without the active participation of women. Behind the bright achievements of women in space today, there is a huge challenge and unlimited sacrifice of women. In earlier days, critics had plenty of reasons for wanting to disqualify women in space flight. At the same time, women were biased from Air Force training for 20 years before the American movement started. Some used to claim how women would handle menstruation in nearby microgravity and whether the exposure to radiation would affect the fertility of women. Women were unstoppable not because they didn't have failures or doubts, but because they continued on despite. Women have been taking part in scientific research since 2001 AD, but it really took a generation and so far for women to build those changes to have the kind of position in space science. After 50 years, perspective towards women have been changed drastically. Within the last century, space exploration has blasted off with incredible number of women behind some major accomplishment, from reaching new heights to developing new technology. The knowledge we do have today about space and technology would not have been possible without those women. After the starting of women in space, Sally Ride became the world's second woman and the US first lady to have orbited on space on June 18, 1903 with a NASA STS-7 mission. And she paved the path for other female explorers as well. After her, Christina Koch, Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, and as of September 2021, 65 women have flown up in space, including cosmonauts, astronauts, space participants, and all of them have achieved milestone in the history of space science. But what about the women behind the scenes? Well, there are enormous number of women contributing for the development of human space flight. Without those women, humanity would never reach to space. We are fortunate enough to live in a time when it is possible, but we should not forget the women went before us. The United States currently has the highest running tally of women in space, but in developing countries like Nepal, women get less degree of education in math, physical science, computer and information technology, and that's the reason that women in space is still a dream for Nepalese women. NASA, and likewise many other organizations are providing ample of opportunity for the development of women in space. Valentina Tereshkova is calling upon all the women with a question that on Earth, both men and women are having equal risks for the development. Why don't we take the same risks in space? Valentina Tereshkova and many other notable women are inspiring billions of girls to begin and achieve their space dreams. This program is also a journey to inspire them more. Being a woman should be your supreme achievement, not your deepest fear. Celebrate womanhood, fuel yourself with the confidence and let that confidence pursue you towards your dream. With this, I would like to conclude my speech here. Thank you.